Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing and trying on a new item from the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami collaboration that launched on January 3rd, 2025 in stores and online. Now, this is a really exciting piece and collection because it is the 20th anniversary, although it is coming at kind of like 22, 23 years after the first launch. But the 20th anniversary collection of the original collaboration between Louis Vuitton and Murakami. Now, this collection has been iconic from its first launch way back when in the early 2000s. I believe it was 2007. Now, that is because Takashi Murakami is one of Japan's most acclaimed contemporary artists, and the collaboration really introduced something very new. Not only did they release these multicolor patterns, but they also released additional collections such as the Cherry Blossom collection, which we're seeing a revival of in March of 2025 as well. Now, let's talk about this item. This is the Monogram Superflat Flowers Square 90. It retails for $515. And in inches, the dimensions are 35.4 inches on both sides. It is a square. Now, it is 100% silk, so obviously when we're taking care of this item, you know, we're not gonna wash it ourselves. We're probably gonna bring it to the dry cleaner, but let's just kind of keep it pristine because it's so white, so stark, so beautiful. But you do really want to care for this in the right ways. Now, the predominant design factors of this specific piece are the kind of grayed out Louis Vuitton monogram, plus the little designs from the monogram, plus a hot pink border, the Louis Vuitton logo in one bottom corner of the border, and all of those what they call super flat flowers. So that is the floral print that you'll see throughout the collection. Now, all of this information and more will be seen on that tag right on the bottom right, but I recommend that you just take this off. Maybe if you save it, but I don't personally like how you can see the tag hanging very long while you're wearing it, and you'll see that in the try-on because we haven't taken it off just yet. Now, you might want to leave the top tag that says Louis Vuitton Murakami, but you definitely want to cut off that second one, which they actually show you a scissors line in order to do so. Alright, now let's talk about how to wear this item. So obviously it is pretty large, so it does, give you a lot of volume to work with. You can wear it in a lot of different ways. On the website, they show it being worn as a headscarf, and in the promo photos for the overall collab, you see Zendaya actually wearing it as a top. So overall, it is a very versatile piece. You can fold it up like I'm showing you now and either wear it as a belt or a bandeau or, just around your neck as a headscarf, a headband, really any which way you like. And what's really cool is that you can kind of tie the pattern in ways where you'll see more or less of the hot pink or more predominantly white with the gray LV monogram. So it really depends what kind of overall vibe you're going for, but I do think this is going to be a versatile piece. Now let's go ahead and try it on so you can start to get some ideas for how you might want to wear this. Let me know in the comments below how you would wear this, if you like one of the options we show or if you have additional options. Now, first up, I kept it rolled up in the way that we saw it on the table and just wore it as a traditional neck scarf. Now, this way is folded over, so you are going to get a little bit more thicker coverage, but of course you can also wear it as more of a traditional shawl. Now, in this way where I put it on, I haven't aligned the borders very well, so you can see how you can either see the two layers with both pink borders, or if you just want to see one triangle in the back, you can definitely try and make the outer layer longer, so you'll only see that one V and you won't have those conflicting V's. But of course, the style is up to you. Now, another scarf, a larger scarf that was also released with this collection, was demonstrated on the stock photos as the way that I'm wearing it now. So with the triangle actually in the front, it looks a little bit more like a bib, or almost like how you would tie like a Western bandana, but it does give a really luxurious feeling overall. Now, on top of traditional ways to wear this scarf, we can also wear this in a few untraditional ways. So we can put this as a belt. Of course, they didn't line it all the way up, but imagine you were wearing a dress and you didn't have belt loops, you didn't want it to be uniform. You can definitely, scrunch it all together as such, or you can tie it a little bit more tightly, and you will get a more uniform looking belt. Now, one of my favorite ways that I've seen this item used, and I won't say scarf because we are going to make it into a top, was in the promo photos with Zendaya. So she was actually wearing this as a top, exactly as I'm showing you now, and I just think it's really, really cute. Because it's silk, it's also really comfortable. Of course, you're gonna wanna line those V's in the back. And what's really cool is you can actually flip it around, so it'll be kind of like a tube top in the front. So if you do like the top vibe, there are a few ways to do it. Now, a last option for our tops is that we can kind of roll it up into a bandeau. Now, this collection does have a literal bandeau, but it is a smaller item, so it's not going to have enough width to be a full coverage top. So if you do like that kind of tube top looking vibe, you could go with this one instead of the bandeau. Now, I personally think this item looks so nice when it is just casually draped. So of course we can do a lovely kind of toss over the shoulder and just, you know, showing you the overall silhouette. The possibilities with this are endless. It really is a luxurious item. It looks like summer, it looks like spring, it looks like happiness to me at least. But let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments below. Do you have it? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you want it? Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.